Well, I was trying to be cute and get you guys a video of me putting this grip on the bike, and well, wouldn't you know it, I fumbled this thing and ended up killing the video. So this is part 2, because of course there's going to be a part 2. Anyway, I'm going to get all this buttoned up, but let's get that bar end popped in there. We'll get that tightened up. Oh, if you ever wondered about bar ends, if you guys have ever had an old boat where you screw in one side and it swells up, like this thing drags down and it swells up that rubber inside of there, it's the exact same thing. It's just a plug, just like what you'd see in like an old John boat. So there you go. All I got to do is tighten that thing up. And there you go, guys. Nothing to it. Pretty easy, provided you got all the right tools sitting around. And by the way, again, those are the Domino Stradale grips that I decided to go with this thing. I like it. They look good. They fit the bike. It's a good looking grip. I mean, it's a grip. What are you asking for? Anyway, again, to give you an idea, just as far as the amount of free play, this thing will focus. Focus. Anyway, just a little bit of free play. If this, okay, hold up. All right, had to move around. All right, so just, are you kidding me with this? Kidding me all right, here we go. So just a little bit of free play. Not a ton. You want to make sure that when you close the throttle, listen close. I'm going to open it a little bit. Hear that click? That's the throttle blades closing. Yep, everything's cool there. Wide open. Hear it click again. That's wide open. That's closed. You can hear it pop, and she is very much free to move about. Before I got started, the throttle adjustment up here was pretty far out. So, matter of fact, if I'm being honest, it was getting kind of near its adjustability. So, at any rate, this closed that up quite a bit. So, again, just a little bit of free play. Wide open and shut. Guys, I hope this part 1 and accidental part 2 was informative and fun to watch for you. I'm going to give you one last video on this after I get the bike back from a quick ride. We're going to see what my impressions are. Can I even notice a difference? I don't know. We're about to find out. Stay tuned for part 3 and the final edition of the videos on this G2 quick turn throttle for a Triumph T595.